Yes, everyone, it's FlyingTunes and welcome to my latest video. And today I prepared something what you have probably never seen on my channel before. I'm going to show you some really nice thing what you can do with your own car keys. As you can see, this is my key. It has that foil on it, but as you can see the foil is not looking good anymore. So what do I have in plan with the key? I wanted to replace the foil which is on that one, and I'm going to show you now how the new one looks like. Here it is. I got that one from eBay. It's around 7 to 10 euros, depends on your key. And what are we waiting for? Let's check it out. So as you can see, this is now what we need. The foil and the key. And as you can see, I still have the foil on it. And I need to remove it because it's completely worn out. And that's what I'm going to do now. As you can see now, the key looks like this, completely black without the foil. Oh, I forgot that one. And because the key feels sticky, I gotta wash it first now, and then we can apply the foil on it. And that's now how it looks now, completely clean, neat. If you want to get rid of the stickiness of your key, just use some acetone because this will get the sticky remains on your key away easy, and that will help you a lot. So now the key is clean. That's what the instructions say. So my hands are clean. I clean my key completely, and now I can place the foil. So I'm gonna remove it from the bag. Here it is. So what I'm going to do now is I'm putting this all on my key. So as you can see, the key is now ready. I put all the foils on it. Even here. And now what we're going to do next is taking a hair dryer and warm the foil up. And now after using the hair dryer for it, it looks now a lot better. It's not so loose anymore. Now just the final thing what we need is now to press it on so that the foil is going to stay for a very long time. As you can see, that was it with my key. I hope you really like the color, so answer me the poll. I will put it up here. I like the color, it looks really nice. I had before the white one because I wanted it with the outside color of my car, but I think that one looks a lot nicer because my car has also some red accents, like on the S-line patches which are inside my doors, or the lights in my interior of my radio and stuff, they look also red, and I think it is a really nice color, and when the details are in red, it looks a lot more elegant and not so dull like white. But yeah, tell me your opinion. I will be really glad if you can answer my poll. That was it from my side. I hope you really enjoyed my video. Leave me a like, leave me a sub, leave me a comment. I would really like to know what kind of stuff you want to see, what I do further on my car. And also don't forget to check out my video about my car because I made a whole review of my car. It is a little bit an older one and the quality was not so nice because I used there another camera, but I hope it won't be a big deal, so check it out. It will be a really big pleasure for me, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye!